Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to show you several ways how you can add horizontal lines as dividers, for example, to your documents on Google Docs. There are two ways how you can achieve this, guys, so let us guide you through this. The first option would be, let me just add a new page here to my document really quickly to start fresh and clean. So the first option would be to simply use the underline or dash key on your keyboard. To do that, simply press and hold left shift on your keyboard and press and hold the dash or underline key on your keyboard to add a straight line like this one here to your document. Simply release these keys to stop adding that line and that should do it. So that's the first option, guys. And the second option would be to use the drawing tool, the built-in drawing tool here on Docs. To do that, place your cursor where you would like to add your horizontal line to. So let me go with that line here. After that, click on Insert here at the top, hover your mouse over Drawing, and click into New here to the right. That is going to redirect you to the drawing tool. So here, guys, what you want to do is select your preferred shape or line. You will see that default line here on that key or icon. You may also customize your line by clicking on that arrow down icon here and select, for example, a standard line, an arrow, an elbow connector, a curved line, or draw by hand using the scribble feature. So to draw a clean and stabilized straight line with a 0 degree or 90 degree, you should simply use that option here at the top, the standard line. So let me do it really quickly. After that, left click. So let's start, for example, here on the left hand side of that document. Left click, hold your left mouse and draw a line like that. Now to stabilize it and to make it really to apply a 90 degree, let me, for example, use left shift on my keyboard for that. And as you can see, that is going to stabilize the line so that it's now a straight line with a 90 degree like that. And that should do it. Release your left mouse, release also left shift on your keyboard. And after that, last but not least, you may also customize your line by applying a line color, like let's say green, or you may adjust the line weight or the thickness. For example, 1px, 4px, 12px, and so on and so forth. You may apply a dotted line if you like, or go with a straight line. So once you're content with your result, guys, simply click on Save and Close here at the top to add your line, and that is going to add the line to your document, as you can see. So you may click on it to keep customizing it, for instance, by clicking on Edit here. That is going to redirect you to your customization or drawing tool here. And that should do it, guys. That's how you add horizontal lines to your documents on Google Docs. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.